Hey guys, welcome back to another video with a plumber's life. And today we're going to be reviewing the M12 12-volt lithium-ion coreless copper tubing cutter kit. This one should come with a 1.5 milliamp battery, a charger, and then you got the hard case. Okay, I went to go put on my black gloves. Let's get to it. So, I like that it comes with a box. Keep it protected when you got it in the truck. In the box, like they said, it came with one charger. You got another spot for another charger just in case if you want to. I'm pretty sure you may want to have another charger just in case if you run out of one, you got a backup one you can use while the other one is charging. It does come with the M12 charger. This one doesn't have the one for the other type batteries. And then you have the actual unit. I like it. It's a nice unit. So they said it can cut anything from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. With my personal experience, I have been cutting things that was 1/2 inch and 3/4, but I haven't went over 3/4. It should be able to cut it. Maybe I'll make a video on me cutting, different sizes all the way up. So, put the battery inside. Like that. Okay, so this one does have a lever. So if you have the lever facing to the left, it turns. So it goes all the way around the pipe, like so. And then when you flick it back, that's if it's stuck like this and you want to get it back into the position it was, so you can, make another cut. You just flick it the other way, to the right. To the right. Press the button. Put it right back in place. Okay, so we're gonna try it on. I got a piece of 3/4 pipe. We're gonna try it on a piece of scrap. So first things first, you're gonna put this on here like this, push it on in place. Alright, let's try it. Okay, it did pretty good. It made a clean cut. So far it's been okay. I'm still trying to figure out how to change the blades on it, because I haven't had it for that long. Cutting a lot of stuff then is handy. I haven't had it run out of juice yet. I've been making several cuts with it. I'm gonna say at least maybe 10 cuts. It's been okay to me. I'm gonna say, like I said, if you're doing big jobs, I'm gonna say go and buy it. It's been good to me. I like it. If you have a piece of 3/4 pipe in the wall and you won't be able to, maybe reach your hand all the way around it or something like that, or you just trying to make a quick repair. You got these people water down, and you probably repairing water inlets to a tub in the wall, behind the wall, and you got a section cut out. You can easily stick it in, press the button, go all the way around. You know what I mean? Make quick cuts, go in, do what you got to do, and be done with it. So I'm gonna say go and buy it. It is $200 plus tax, but it'll pay for itself. I'm gonna say go and buy it. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I got some more videos coming. Also, leave a comment down below. If you have the device already, tell me how it's been treating you.